All right, welcome back to another episode of Trading Levels with Alighten while I figure out my microphone. Yeah. I wanted to jump on here. There's been a couple great trades using this 1 hour signal here. And if you follow that down, the signal was actually above it. Oh, I have the wrong cursor on this. I like to use this global no scroll cursor. Anyway, this signal was actually above it, so I didn't take it. But these two signals here on the 5 minute chart were valid trades using this short. So short signal first on the higher time frame chart, and then short signal here. So I took those for a little bit, and now I am jumped on the hit record because I forgot to earlier because there was a potential for another short signal here, but it looks like it's gone away temporarily. I'm going to hang out and see if maybe we get another trade here from this short. I haven't seen any other signals that would indicate that we're at the bottom yet. Doesn't mean that it just because we don't get a signal, sometimes these other older levels play. The signals really focus on first touch, so it's possible that second touch and third touch even could work, but we are still going to be operating off of the last short signal on the 1 hour. Let's see. Oh, ooh, and that's another great indicator that we might be going short. And we got some short signals over here on the 5 minute. So now we're just looking for an entry signal on our 30-second chart. I added this trend matrix. I'm not sure if I like it. I don't know what the value of it is. I'm still only looking for um, trap traders. There's one right there. Oh, the bar is still a little green. I kind of want to hang out and wait for it to close. So it could come back up. That's a tough one. This might be as good a place as any to enter. Really like to see it close. See how this one closed here? Then we had the down bars. I'm going to give it a go. That was a little late. Took off. Probably should have taken it when it got that first signal. Oops, there's no ATM on this. So I'm going to take this ATM to the end of that, to the, oh, we got a long signal there. Let's see what happens here. Bring our stop just above the signal. There we go. We got some movement here. Break even plus. Oh, it just barely missed it. Dude, how did that miss that? Let's see if we get a little bit more. I'm gonna split this. Take a runner. Oh, it's just going right back up. And that's a bummer. We went from 800 to nothing. Wow. Well, that happens. We're still operating under this short signal here. Um, Maybe we will get another. We got this signal on the here. I might take another stab at this. I don't see any long signals, so I might take another stab at this. If we got another trap traders down. Well, let's see how this plays out. And I should have put my stop just a little bit above the end of that. That would have been great. So this bar on the 10 minutes about to end. Cool. If we got another signal here, I would take that short. The market's really slow right now, so we're not getting a lot of movement. Let's see. Another long signal over here, but that's, oh yeah, this one is from this. Ooh, we got some sellers. That oftentimes drives the price up, not down. Let's see what happens. Oh, looks like they're take that. And we are going to put this back behind the signal. Ooh, signal's way up there. We'll just put this back above this trend magic line. Could just be that we're at the end of this here. Just kind of along this zone right here. Maybe what I'll do is I'll split this, put this up here, and then just leave a runner. Oh, there we go. Nice. All right, so there's a couple trades. You saw where I put that stop the first time, where I just missed it here. I put it right at the tip of this, pivot down, and I just didn't put it quite high enough, so we lost that trade. But we had a second entry opportunity on the 5-minute, so we've had some really good signals here. We've had, 1, 2, 3 signals, and then a fourth on the 10-minute. I mean, that's enough to make a living right there. So super psyched about this. First, this 1-hour signal, and then this pattern E, which is also one of my favorite signal, and then another pattern E here on the 30-minute. Oh, sorry, you can't see that. I have a 1-hour screen off the chart, but there's a 1-hour pattern E signal there, and then a 1-hour pattern or a 30-minute pattern E here. And those have really played well. Hope you guys enjoyed those couple of live trades, and I'll catch you in the next one.